This ain't my first.
Right, you look nervous. What's good? It's your boy G Kid back with another video. Check this out, shorty.
Hey.
What's going on the whip today?
We are putting on a spoiler today.
Yo, look at that. How excited are you right now?
I'm so excited.
Yeah, we gotta get this thing on here. I know it's gonna look so good. All right, so I got these side splats on there. So she's gonna put these on right now. So that way it sort of gives it a more aggressive look on the side of the Honda. It's gonna look so good. So we're holding it right now so she can put these side splats on there. And then we're gonna put some 3M adhesive on here. Just the good stuff, not the stuff it came with. And then after that, we should be good to go. Put it on the whip. Now she's doing the other side now. Shawty a mechanic. Shawty just sat it on the car for a little quick test fit. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. Look at that thing. A little bit more aggressive looking around the back. Oh my gosh. You see that? You see that? That though. That looks good. Tape on here right now. Put it in the spot so we can remember where it is and match it up perfectly when we put it back on where we would like it to be at. Now we're gonna take it in, put the 3M adhesive that we bought on it, bring it back to the car after putting down this adhesive promoter, and then throw it on there. You like the way it looks?
Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it. It's exactly what I wanted. So I'm hyped about that.
Oh, you heard her. So let's go ahead and get this on there. All right. So now the adhesive promoter is now going onto the vehicle, and then also we're gonna put it onto the back of this as well. This is gonna just help the sticky tape work even better. All right, so tape's on it. Check this out though. We ran out of tape. So if this part right here, or this little corner over here start to flip up, you know it's because we didn't have enough to double it up.
It's gonna work though. It's gonna be fine.
It's gonna be good?
It's gonna be good.
We'll be all right. All right, now we just gotta pull this tape off. Tape's peeled off. Now we're going over to the car. This gotta go on the Silverado. All right, you look nervous. My finger touched it.
I know, me too.
You too? All right, now I just gotta apply some firm pressure to it. Hold it for a bit. Now on the tape it said make sure it's above 75 or above 65 degrees. It's 69 degrees. So we're like, let's just get it done now before too much of the fall hits. Now the tape's coming off. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Woo. That looked good. That looks good. Y'all see that? That looks good. Yo, tell me down below, should we put a different spoiler here on the GTI, man? Because I'm got that envy rocking right now. I'm like, that looks good. That looks good, babe. Good choice.
Thank you.
Yo, we got something crazy coming for this car coming up. I'm not gonna tell y'all, you gotta watch that video. It's gonna be coming. It's gonna change the entire look of the car. It's not a wrap either. Just you wait. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button. You're gonna wanna see that. You're gonna wanna see that because it's gonna change the whole way the car looks, and we're so excited for it. It was her idea, all 100% her idea. So I'm like, yo, I'm on board for it. Let's get it done.
It's gonna be awesome.
Look at this thing. Put the brake lights on. So, babe,
Yes.
congratulations on the new lip spoiler.
Thank you.
It looks really good. How you feel about it?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah. I can't even. I'm
Yeah, she say the
speechless.
same thing every time. Like, I love it.
I just can't.
I love it.
I'm excited about the next
Love it.
phase. I'm excited about the next phase and what we're going to be doing to change the look of the vehicle tomorrow completely. It was just a small step, so I cannot wait to finish the look on the exterior that I'm looking for.
Yeah, that looks really good. Congratulations, babe.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you.
You want to do the outro or you want me to say it?
You do it.
You want me to do it? You like this spoiler lip on the whip, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We can't wait to see you in the next video. It's your boy. We out with another one.
Bye.
Peace. One day I'll get her to do the head nod with me. We'll get it on cue. We out to dinner right now, celebrating for the new spoiler, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm just kidding. We just meeting up with some friends and all. You ready, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take a look at this spoiler real quick. One more time for the one time. Peep this. Sheesh. I think it definitely adds a little bit more aggressiveness to the rear. Yo, this is what your boy ordered.
Garlic bread?
Shorty over there. Yo, we got Amelia out here. We got Charlie in here, you know what I'm saying? What your boy about to eat? Yo, this new whip, Amelia, it's clean. They still got the tent registration in the window. Yo, them headlights though. We hop in the whip.
Check out this. Check out dynamic mode.
Nah, you good, you good. We in the whip, bro. Yo, look at this thing. Look at the screen though. It's my hand. Yeah, that's crazy.
Hey.
Shorty, you want this?
No.
Nah.
I like it though. It is nice.
Yo, it's lit.
I gotta buckle up.
Yeah, they whipping the Civic right now.
I'm a guy.
Don't scrape.
I know, baby. This ain't my first.
Then you gotta hold the door open for Shotty, you know what I mean? Charlie and Amelia about to whip out of here. It was a hell of another night, yo. Time to head home. Dinner was amazing. Had a good time catching up with friends. Y'all got to see us drive their Acura MDX. They got to drive our Honda Civic. It was a good night. Signing out. Hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.